with that qualification, I don't know the date, yes.
Yes, okay. Yeah, you can take it from me. It was the 3rd of December. That's fine. And then within literally 72 hours thereof, there was a motion of Natasha Mazzoni for the removal of the public protector. Again, you don't have to have counted the hours, but if you know broadly that shortly within a day or two after the passing of the rules, there was the Mazzoni, the first Mazzoni motion. You're aware of that?
Yes.
Then we, and this part you may not know, we wrote a letter, or rather, the Speaker of Parliament announced in the media that there was a motion to remove the public protector without even telling her. She just saw it. She was on her way to Mpumalanga, I think, and she saw the that she was now going to be impeached. And then the attorneys and us, the team here, wrote to the Speaker to indicate that various things about the defects in that motion, including the fact that it related to all these court cases and it could not be applied retrospectively. In other words, a motion for the impeachment of the public protector should deal with things that happened after the 3rd of December 2019. Otherwise, that motion, rather, those rules would be applied retrospectively. Again, you don't have to have read the letter, but do you understand the point I'm making about that objection? Yes. Thank you. Yes. Oh, out of the blue, a Mr. Samuel came up with an affidavit, I think on the 10th of February, making allegations about this and that and the other of the public protector. And a week later or so, Ms. Mazzoni withdrew her motion and included Mr. Samuel's affidavit, and the retrospectivity problem was resolved. So that motion was resubmitted on the 21st of February 2020. Again, you don't have to know the date, but thereabouts. Let's, for you and me, let's say just before the COVID outbreak. Okay?
Yes.
Right. And then the second Mazzoni motion, which had purported to cure the issues we pointed out, then was the subject of litigation. And that's where I'm coming to now, to the topic that you and I are going to get into in more detail tomorrow. One of the, you know that then it culminated in litigation, which is in a way still ongoing, correct?
Yes.
Right. Now, one of the reasons, or one of the theories peddled in this commission, in this inquiry, and why some of us have been defamed and linked with looting and all sorts of things, is because that litigation, which then started as a result of what I've just told you, as I say, has been going on almost non-stop until today, or at least until the 24th of November, which I suspect might not be the end of it. Correct?
Yes.
And that it is that litigation that is probably the highest of the expenditures on fees that on your schedules, correct?
I think it's one of the highest. I'll have to check if it's the highest.
Yes. Well, it might even be the highest. Well, insofar as it is still ongoing. If there's any
Yes.
rival to it, it would be the Godan-related litigation, but we'll talk about that separately. I just want to talk about the. So those two are the let's call it the number one and number two in the so-called expenditure schedule, correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay, we should have bought coal instead.
We hope the change will come soon.
Yes, we can still hear you, but or rather, we can still see you, but
Mr.
Merwe,
Are you there?
I'm here, Chair. I see that you are in the dark.
yeah, we are, and I think can we, Chair?
That's fine. We'll just pause for a minute or two.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you.